Welcome back to Bike Update, your source for in-depth breakdowns of the newest motorcycles across every category. Today we're diving deep into the 2026 Yamaha XT250, a machine that continues to hold its place as one of the most approachable dual-sport bikes in the world. Whether you're a beginner, a commuter, or a trail explorer, the XT250 has always promised reliability, simplicity, and adventure. Let's take a detailed look at how the 2026 model keeps that legacy alive. Overview. The Yamaha XT250 is known for staying consistent. Yamaha rarely changes the formula because it works. For 2026, the bike maintains its familiar dual-sport identity while receiving a few subtle refinements aimed at improving comfort and ease of use. The XT250 has always been a bridge between everyday riding and light off-road capability, and this year's version continues that balance with a cleaner design, improved ergonomics, and practical upgrades that don't complicate the ownership experience. Engine and performance. At the heart of the XT250 is its 249 cubic centimeters air-cooled, fuel-injected single-cylinder engine. It's not designed for high-speed thrills. Its strength lies in its predictable power delivery, excellent throttle response, and impressive fuel efficiency. Riders can expect smooth low-end torque that helps with slow-speed maneuvering on trails and confidence-inspiring acceleration in city environments. The air-cooled design keeps maintenance simple and running costs low. The engine's personality remains friendly and forgiving, making it a great partner for new riders still developing clutch control and throttle management. For seasoned riders, it's a bike you can push without worrying about surprises. It behaves exactly the way you expect. Transmission and rideability. The 5-speed gearbox remains unchanged for 2026, offering short, precise shifts and gearing that works well for both pavement and dirt. The clutch pull is light, which reduces fatigue during long commutes or technical trail sections. Combined with the XT's smooth engine mapping, the entire drivetrain feels intuitive and cooperative, ideal for riders building confidence or anyone who simply wants a stress-free ride. Chassis, suspension and handling. The XT250's lightweight chassis is a big part of its charm. Its manageable size and relatively low seat height make it easy to flatfoot at stops, hop onto trails, or navigate tight spaces. The long travel suspension continues to offer a comfortable ride over potholes, gravel, rocks, and uneven terrain. For 2026, Yamaha has adjusted the suspension damping slightly to improve stability at higher speeds without compromising low-speed comfort. The bike's turning radius remains impressively tight, which helps during U-turns, trail switchbacks, and crowded urban streets. For riders who value maneuverability over raw power, the XT250 delivers in every situation. Braking and safety. Yamaha keeps the braking system simple but reliable, a front disc and rear disc setup that provides predictable stopping power. For 2026, ABS tuning has been refined to feel less intrusive off-road while maintaining safety on pavement. The brakes aren't aggressive, and that's intentional. The XT250 prioritizes control and stability over sport bike-style stopping force. Ergonomics and comfort. Comfort has always been an underappreciated strength of the XT250. The upright riding posture, narrow seat, and wide handlebar position allow riders of various heights to feel at home. Yamaha adds small refinements for 2026, including improved seat foam and slightly reshaped rubber foot pegs to reduce vibration. These subtle adjustments make longer rides more enjoyable, whether you're commuting across town or exploring a fire road miles from civilization. Features and technology. Technology on the XT250 remains intentionally minimalistic. Yamaha knows this bike appeals to riders who value simplicity over gadgets. Still, for 2026 there are a few updates. A more readable digital display with improved backlighting. Optional USB-C charging port for navigation or phone charging. LED headlight for better nighttime visibility. Accessory packages for luggage, handguards, and protective components. These upgrades add convenience without sacrificing the lightweight, go-anywhere spirit of the XT250. Fuel economy and practicality. The XT250 has always been known for its excellent fuel economy, and the 2026 model continues to deliver. Its efficiency makes it a great choice for daily commuting, especially for riders who want low operating costs. With its combination of lightweight, reliability, and low fuel consumption, it remains one of the most practical dual-sport options in its class. Who is it for? The 2026 Yamaha XT250 remains a motorcycle for just about everyone. Beginners who want a manageable first bike. Commuters seeking a lightweight, fuel-efficient ride. Off-road newcomers looking for a forgiving trail machine. Weekend adventurers who value versatility. Experienced riders wanting a simple, low-maintenance dual sport. With its approachable nature and proven design, the XT250 continues to attract a wide range of riders who appreciate its uncomplicated character. Closing.